Are you a leader, a manager, or both? These two roles are often used interchangeably, but in reality, they're different. And understanding the difference can transform how you work, lead, and communicate with others. In this video, we'll explain the core differences between leaders and managers, explore real-world examples, and help you recognize which style you naturally lean towards and when to use each one. What is a manager? A manager is someone who's responsible for planning, organizing, and overseeing the work of others. Their role is operational. They focus on how to get things done effectively. Managers keep projects on track. They monitor progress, allocate resources, assign tasks, and ensure systems are followed. A good manager keeps things structured and under control. You'll often hear managers say things like, "Let's stay on schedule," "Make sure the report is done by Friday," or "What's our budget for this?" They deal with the processes, performance metrics, timelines, and risk mitigation. In short, managers maintain stability. They make sure the day-to-day runs smoothly. What is a leader? A leader, on the other hand, focuses on people, vision, and direction. Leaders inspire others to act. They build trust, influence behavior, and encourage others to grow. Leadership is about change, motivation, and movement towards a shared goal, even when there's no clear map. A leader says, "Here's the vision, let's find a way to make it happen. Let's challenge the way we've always done this," or "How can I help you grow?" They focus on emotional intelligence, communication, and long-term development. Leaders don't always have formal authority, but they have influence. In short, leaders create change. They move people and ideas forward. Let's compare the key differences side by side. Managers focus on tasks and outputs. Leaders focus on people and vision. Managers plan, organize, and control. Leaders inspire, influence, and innovate. Managers minimize risk. Leaders embrace uncertainty. Managers maintain systems and structure. Leaders challenge the status quo. Managers work within existing rules. Leaders create new directions. Managers use authority and process. Leaders build trust and relationship. It's not about one being better than the other. It's about understanding the difference and knowing when each is needed. Imagine a product launch. A manager makes sure the project plan is followed. They track timelines, assign roles, and make sure all the boxes are ticked before launch day. A leader sets the vision for the product. They energize the team, get stakeholder buy-in, and encourage creative problem-solving when challenges arise. Without the manager, the product may never be finished. Without the leader, no one may care enough to start. So which one are you? If you're process-driven, love organizing systems, and enjoy solving logistical problems, you are likely to have strong management traits. If you're future-focused, enjoy motivating others, and thrive in uncertainty, you may lean more towards leadership. But here's the truth. Most people use both. The most effective professionals know how to switch between leading and managing based on what the situation calls for. When to lead and when to manage. You might need to lead when your team is facing change or resistance, you're launching a new project or idea, people need vision, clarity, or motivation, innovation and adaptability are needed. You might need to manage when processes need to be streamlined, resources must be tracked and allocated, deadlines and outputs are critical, compliance or consistency is required. The real skill is knowing when to lead and when to manage. Leadership and management are not titles, they're skill sets, and both are valuable, especially when used together. So ask yourself, do I tend to focus more on people or process? Do I step up during change or prefer to stabilize the situation? How can I develop both sides to become more effective at work? When you understand the difference, you become more adaptable, more influential, and more respected, no matter what your role is.